All right, Vancouver, it's September of 2025, and the big question on everybody's mind is, should I buy, should I sell, or should I wait? Prices are easing, interest rates are shifting, rentals are softening, and the market feels just a little bit like the beginning of the Vancouver Canucks season, doesn't it? There's lots of hope, but there's also a lot of chaos. What's up, everyone? This is Jordan Lee, your friendly Vancouver real estate guy that tries to make all this stuff a little bit easier to digest. The latest Greater Vancouver real estate stats for August 2025 have just released, and I've read over some national economist reports that give us a little bit of a window as to what's going on. Let's move over all the real estate jargon and talk about what this market really means for you. Whether you're thinking of buying, thinking of selling, or thinking of waiting it out. What's happening in Vancouver right now? Well, here's the snapshot. Sales in August were under 3% compared to last year. So things are moving, but it's not exactly the crazy market that we've seen in past years. Prices? Well, they keep going down about 1% month over month, and almost 4% from last year. The average detached home is sitting at around 1.95 million. Townhomes about 1.08 million, and condos are about 734,000. But the big number on everyone's mind right now is inventory. Inventory has been in the highest it's been in a long time, and it's still pretty high. Right now it's 16,000 listings. Not as high as it was about a couple months ago, but it's still 37% above the 10-year average. Translation? Buyers are still swimming in options, and sellers will have to take their dose of reality. How about the economy and interest rates? Now, the bigger picture. Inflation has cooled a ton. It's sitting at around 1.7% right now. But the Bank of Canada isn't really necessarily popping champagne bottles right now over that because core inflation is still sticky. Economists are predicting one more rate cut, possibly by the end of the year, but they're not so sure just yet. So what does this mean for you? Fixed rate mortgages could drift down into late 2025 and into early 2026. But don't expect a straight slide down. Bond markets are still pretty moody, like a Canucks fan after another early first round exit. Boo! Rates could wiggle up and down again before getting lower. Rentals and investors. Well, here's where it gets a little spicy for you all. Rentals, we've got record number of purpose-built rentals under construction. BC alone has the equivalent of 16% of its rental stock in the pipeline. And at the same time, population growth is slowing. That means rents are actually softening after years of skyrocketing. Great if you're a renter, but not so fun if you're a landlord, banking on higher rent to cover those mortgage payments. So, should you buy right now? If you're a first-time home buyer, the good news is prices are down. There's a ton of choice, and there's certainly not bidding wars happening right now. If you've got a stable income and your dream property just happens to pop up, this is probably the best time to maybe pull the trigger. And if you're looking to upsize, this is sneaky good timing right now. This year alone, I have helped multiple clients make the move from a townhouse up to a detached home. There are some intricacies to navigate while making the move up in terms of writing subject to sale contracts, meaning the purchase of the new detached home is contingent on you selling your current property. Detached supply is possibly going to be tightening in 2026. So if you're looking to trade upwards, this is probably the best time to do it with the least amount of competition. If you're an investor, be careful though. The rents are softening and carrying costs are pretty high. Cash flow is tight. You need to underwrite conservatively and think long term, like probably 2027 and beyond, when the condo supply starts to dry up. And what about if I'm selling? The key is price to the market that you're in, not to the market that you wish you're in. Again, buyers have tons of options right now. And if you're priced too high, be prepared for your listing to just sit on the market and not move. Detached homes are the softest segment right now, so presentation and price matter even more right now. Townhomes are holding up just a little bit better right now. But hey, if the rates do drop this fall, buyer confidence could bounce back up. So timing your sale well really does matter. But the bottom line is, don't gamble. Price sharply, make sure your marketing is on point, and get eyeballs on the prize early. Make sure your realtor's marketing skills are on point. Or just give me a call. All right, so what to watch for next? Here's my quick cheat sheet for the next couple months. If rates dip and inventory shrinks, buyers will lose your leverage. If rates stay flat and inventory stays high, buyers will keep their negotiating power. If rates rise and listings surge, buyers get picky and negotiate hard. Basically, the market's like a chess game right now. You just need to know what pieces you are. So, should you buy or sell this September? Honestly, depends on your situation. But the big picture is, buyers have more choice and leverage than ever right now. Sellers need to be sharp and realistic about their price. And investors, well, you just need to be patient. But hey, that's basically how I see it right now. What about yourself? Are you on team buy the dip, team hold the line, Or team, wait for the rates to drop? Let me know in the comments, and I want to hear what you guys think. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Vancouver real estate updates. Or share this with a friend who might be stressing about the market right now. My name is Jordan Lee, and this has been another Vancouver real estate update with Places with Jordan. I'll see you guys in the next video.